Releasing dopamine, dopamine.
What's up guys, about Sanus came in the building, like, comment and subscribe. Wagwan peeps, and we there, we done it that.
Inside,
Brand new banger.
inside.
Banger! But as usual guys, right before we get tonight, just remember to like, comment, share and subscribe, because it really help out the Jamaican YouTuber for sure. But anyway peeps, no more itching, right into it. Alright peeps, I'll kick off the first video now.
What are you doing?
I'm recording you.
I see that. Did you put her to sleep?
Yeah, I did.
You did good. She had such a great birthday.
She did.
You're such a great dad.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm not done passing out gifts either.
A gift for me? Vernon, you didn't have to do that. It's not my birthday.
Such a great mom.
Oh, thank you.
I had to.
It's heavy. Ooh, I'm excited.
You're gonna love it.
What is it?
Open it up.
Oh my God, you are such an amazing man, I tell you.
Open it up.
Is it Valentine's Day all over again? Oh my God. Ooh, it's that kind of night, ain't it? My favorite wine?
You're gonna love it. It goes with the gift.
Ooh, Pinot Noir. Mwah. I can't wait to sip on this. Thank you, baby. Oh, here we go, here we go. I'm excited. It better be the necklace I wanted. You know I've been wanting that for a long time. Another bag. You're so tricky, I tell you. Babe, really? Another bag? I can't with you and your foolishness. Oh my God. You are one silly man, I tell you.
Open it up.
Oh my God, what is this? Oh man. Duct tape, really?
They ran out.
You're such an amazing
They
rapper.
ran out. Sorry.
An envelope? What could this be? What could this be? It's not shaking. It's not my necklace, I don't think. Let's open this up. Ooh, it feels kind of thick, okay? Hold on, it may be. Maybe. Paper? This better be a ticket to Dubai for 2 weeks straight, round trip. Because you know I've been wanting to go to Dubai.
Open it up. Yeah, read it.
What is this?
You know what it is? I just want you to know that I know. Nevaeh is not mine. She's not my daughter.
Why did you do this tonight out of one night? Why?
Because I wanted you to know that I know Nevaeh is not mine. I've had doubts. So
What
I went got a
doubts?
DNA test. Nevaeh is not mine. She's not my daughter.
What?
Why would you do this? She loves you though. Why would you do
She's
this?
not my daughter. Why would you do this? Why would you cheat?
I didn't cheat.
Why would you cheat on me?
I didn't.
That's proof right there. DNA test. Nevaeh is not my daughter.
What?
But babe, really? Out of all days, you had 3 years to give this to me, and now you want to give this to me?
All right, listen. You and Nevaeh got to the end of the month to get out of my house.
You're kidding, right?
I'm not kidding.
But
You
that's your
and
daughter.
your daughter had to the end of the month to get out of my house.
But that's
Kelly.
your daughter.
It's not my daughter, Kelly.
Yes, it is.
Paperwork says it's not my daughter.
Why would you do this?
I am not the father.
No. Stop, babe. Can we just talk? Get the camera on my face. Can we just talk? Get it up.
Yo. That rough. That rough. well rough. Yo, people need to stop doing them thing there. You know what I mean? That well rough. Yo, I don't even know if to start for telling you, but I can definitely tell you and say, yo, that man, they feel it. And Yo, you hear me I say? Woman them need to stop do them thing there. To the man them when you know say, I know for them pitney, you know for tell them, you know what I mean? Don't trick them and make them feel say they're children. 3 years. 3 years the man take care of the baby for. And the man had doubts. Man go doctor to the DNA test and find out say I'm pitney. You know how a man feel when him do that to the man? Build him life for you and him. And you go out and you cheat. And you do this to the man. I know a nice thing that, but man say you at the end of the day to say you have a month for you and your daughter to come out of my house. That's pretty much what the man say. Now I feel a way for the daughter still. Say she have the impression say her daddy just run her mother and just gone left her. And just gone left them. I don't know if the mother go even say tell the daughter the truth. But this girl, it gonna affect her, the child too, you know? Yeah. And even when the woman get caught, she still there denied. And I say, yo. Channel peeps, it rough.
Kartel is back.
Come out, answer. Come out, answer. Yo. Tall up your blood clot, sir. Tall up your... Yo. Yeah. Yeah. Back it. Back it. What is that? What is? Alright, one more time.
Alright peeps, hope you enjoy them clip there and thing. Let me know what you guys think about the first video with the man and the woman, and she not tell, well, she pretty much go around the man and make the man feel say I feel pitney for 3 years and him find out and him surprise her. Man deal with it neat. Me not tell no lie, the man deal with it neat. The man bring home all her favorite wine and all them thing there and drop it on her neat. Yo, that rough. Yo, me really feel it for the pitney. Me say shouldn't do that to the man. A idiot thing that. And to be honest, I some study saying that you know much woman in a Jamaica, enough man that crazy jacket. Yo, the jacket and the trench coat them out. Whoa. Yo, me never not laugh. It not funny at all. Wow. Yo, remember the story? Remember the story with the, you know, some man, well, me not condone violence and thing, but one story that there was one man, me must up at the US embassy, man must beat up the woman because him find out said 3 of the pitney them after him file for them, you know, for go up. And a fee money, you know. John. Them thing they need to stop and a real medicine. Woman, them need to stop that. We need to stop do them thing them man. I'm gonna rate that. You see it. But anyway peeps, let me know your thoughts on the whole matter. Comment down below. Yeah? Let me know what you think and make a chat from there. Respect. Go and join with your boy. I keep you guys posted. And the new vlog camera, I still use my phone. Not the best quality, I hate it, but we'll go and push through anyway. Alright? So thank you very much. Big up and just go and join with your boy. Ashoo!
I need the racks like a bimbo. Serving niggas out the window. Have a 9-3 kids with a hustle with your mendo. Had to get it off the mental.